Hi, would a simple strategic plan to kickstart your metabolism give you some hope, bring a smile to your face, that you can finally have the healthy body you have always wanted? If yes, I am going to invite you to say yes to my Metabolic Mastery program. Yes to yourself, yes to a healthier life and a healthier body. Let this be the very beginning for you to break through those frustrating weight loss plateaus and finally have the answers you need for why is my metabolism not working in the first place. I want to come alongside you to give you that metabolic and weight loss success. Hi, my name is Alane. I am a holistic nutritionist and a metabolic specialist. I have been working successfully in the field of holistic nutrition and wellness for over 30 years. My Metabolic Mastery program will show you precisely how to kickstart your metabolism into action. It will show you why your labs may be normal, but you know something's wrong. It's going to teach you about the thyroid gland, insulin resistance, leptin resistance, how to halt those blood sugar ups and downs, how to reduce inflammation. Why is saliva testing so much better than blood testing when it comes to weight loss? It's going to show you my simple steps to break through any weight loss plateau and a lot more. It is a simple strategic plan that has worked for me, thousands of other women, and it can work for you too. I want you to have the success that you've always wanted, but you need a plan. I have that plan. It is a step-by-step guide to the body you have always wanted. I'm going to give you all the pieces you need. The framework, it works. Want to learn more? Awesome. Go to my website, order the program. I will walk alongside you every single step of the way. God bless. Big hug to your success. Bye.